So now let's see how we can utilize the sketchpad effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu, and then I'm going to go ahead and import out an image. So I am simply opening up the Explorer window right here. So the import option is here. So let me just go ahead and import out an image that I want to apply the effect to right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, and to apply the sketchpad effect, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around over here onto art strokes. And over here you can see that sketchpad is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it changes out the picture as if it was a pencil sketch right here. So over here you can see that right now graphite is selected, that is the pencil style. So you can go ahead and change around the style as well. You can decrease out the style right here or increase it out as you want. You can also change around the lead level, as you can see right here, to more like 6H level or 6B level as per the pencil standard, as you can see right here as well. You can also change around the outline and make it much more darker or make it much more lighter right here, just like this as well. Apart from that, you can also work around with color right here and make it seem as if it is a color sketch. You can go around, change around the outline right here, just like this, and increase this out right here, just like this as well. And you can change around the pressure of this particular style right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the sketchpad effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.